some of the memorable truck cases I had was, especially on one of them, where a client was driving in a area of Colorado, and she was driving down the road, and a truck suddenly swerved into her lane head on, drove her off of the road. The interesting thing was the truck driver said he was doing everything right. There was nothing he did wrong. He had only moved around into the other lane of traffic because someone was driving too slow. Well, of course, I ended up downloading the data off the truck, and I found out that he was actually speeding. And speed was the main factor. The hard part I had was, of course, was finding this truck driver. Then I located him. Once I located him, I did a deposition of him. And ironically, he had numerous violations that he never talked about, numerous problems he had never talked about with the truck company, and he wasn't working for the truck company anymore. So it took a lot of digging, a lot of time, a lot of research to be able to figure out exactly what happened in this case and why my client was the one who didn't do anything wrong. We didn't have to go to trial. Ultimately, once all the discovery was completed and depositions done, and we found the liability portions, and we had that sealed up, they ended up paying a good settlement to my client. My client was very happy with the end result, and she was thrilled with what ended up happening in the end.